In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Uber Cash not working on the Uber Eats website. If you've ever encountered this issue, you're not alone. Today, we'll go through several steps to help troubleshoot and resolve this problem so you can enjoy your meal hassle-free. First, let's ensure that your Uber Cash balance is properly set up and available in your Uber account. Open your Uber Eats on your desktop or laptop and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section or payment methods located on the Uber Eats website. Here, you should see various payment options, including your Uber Cash balance. Confirm that the balance is sufficient for your intended purchase. If the balance isn't visible or insufficient, it could be the source of the issue. Now, let's check your payment settings. On the Uber Eats payment page, ensure that Uber Cash is selected as your preferred payment method. Sometimes Uber Cash might not be marked as the primary payment option due to a previous setting. To remedy this, manually select Uber Cash before proceeding with your purchase. This ensures that the system recognizes it as your payment choice. Next, let's address the possibility of technical glitches. Try refreshing the web page. Sometimes pages don't load correctly, which can cause payment options not to display properly. If refreshing doesn't resolve the issue, attempt to clear the cache and cookies of your web browser. This removes any saved data that might be interfering with the Uber Eats website's functionality. After clearing these, log back into your Uber Eats account and check if Uber Cash is working as expected. Another option is to check if there's an update available for the Uber Eats platform or your web browser. Outdated versions can sometimes result in compatibility issues, which might hinder functionalities like payment processing. Make sure your browser is up to date and that no updates are pending for the Uber Eats website. Furthermore, ensure that there are no ongoing outages or technical difficulties on the Uber platform. Occasionally, the company undergoes maintenance, which might affect the usability of services such as Uber Cash. Visit Uber's official website, social media pages, or community forums to check for any recent announcements regarding service interruptions. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reach out to Uber's customer support for assistance. They have access to detailed transaction information and can identify any unresolved issues specific to your account. When contacting support, be ready to provide details about your problem, including your account information and any error messages you've encountered. This will help their support team quickly diagnose and solve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Uber Cash not working on Uber Eats. We hope these tips contribute to a smoother food ordering experience. Thank you for watching and happy dining!